Hi guys, I'm Raunak. One of my friends asked me a question that do you think Messi moving to PSG is the best option for his career? It's a very good question. So that's why I made this video. I hope this video will be interesting for those of you who are Messi fans and football lovers. All I ask is that you watch the whole video, don't skip. Because if you skip this video, you will miss a lot of information. So please guys, don't skip. Many thanks to those who have already subscribed my channel Combat Tube. I am requesting my new friends to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon next to it. So let's get started without any delay. Lionel Messi has practically accomplished every stone in his career, other than playing outside of La Liga in his professional career. Many anti-Messi fans use this against him and say that he can only play on one league. But according to the today's topic, do you think Messi moving to PSG is the best option for his career? Look, after more than a decade at the club, Lionel Messi has finally decided to go. Many Barcelona supporters were so unhappy with his strange decision. The new challenge he faces in Paris will be considerably simpler for him because the squad he joined already includes several elite players. All he has to do is push the group to its limits. As Mbappe and Neymar Jr. occupy the wings, I envision Messi as the number 10 in Paris. PSG will now be able to field a striker in the center of the field who will be given easy opportunities to score from the close range. But Messi moving to PSG would surely help him bring the League One title. It is almost confirmed that PSG wanted Lionel Messi so that they can finally lift the holy grail of all European club trophies, that is the Champions League trophy. Football fans all over the world are concerned on the recent transfer of football superstar Lionel Messi. Some have wondered if he will be able to cope in PSG as his entire football career has always been between his country Argentina and FC Barcelona. However, after his arrival at PSG on the 11th of August 2021, his fans at Paris and PSG fans stormed the street of Paris in their thousands to welcome him. Report had it that as early as 4 am in the morning, fans were already on the streets awaiting his arrival. So, according to me, Lionel Messi can help PSG win the Champions League. There's a chance that this will happen. The amount of elite top world-class players PSG have is unbelievable. PSG is one of the strongest teams for the Champions League out there. They have Neymar Jr., Kylian Mbappe and Lionel Messi now. And that's gonna be a pair for the other teams and their defenders. PSG also enforced their defense, midfield and even the goalkeeper. They now have Wijnaldum, Sergio Ramos, Hakimi, Donnarumma. There are top players like Paredes, Navas, Di Maria and more on the bench. PSG beat Manchester City on 29 September. The result was PSG 2 and Manchester City 0. Lionel Messi scored a goal. Now PSG have 5 new players. We'll just have to see who wins the next Champions League. I can assume it's gonna be between PSG, Manchester City, Chelsea and Manchester United. Lionel Messi scored his 121 Champions League goals, 120 for FC Barcelona and 1 for PSG. He scored his first PSG goal in stunning fashion as they beat Manchester City in an enthralling Champions League group game. Messi made his 4th appearance for his PSG since leaving Barcelona. That was City's first Champions League group defeat since September 2018 when they lost to 2-1 to Lyon. Match report was Lionel Messi's magical first PSG goal secured Champions League group game victory over Manchester City. Paris Saint-Germain moved top of Group A. Lionel Messi scored the goal that the whole world was waiting for. Messi and Neymar Jr. celebrated in style as Mbappe and other teammates soon joined the duo. In FC Barcelona, Messi played with Neymar and Suarez, but now he is playing with Neymar and Mbappe. So guys, right now I'm gonna ask you a question. What do you think about Messi's Barcelona leaving? Was it a good move? Write down your opinion in the comments. I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, this brings me to the end of this video and I hope you like this video. If you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. Thanks for watching.